Hi everyone and welcome to another video from the Career Beacon. Today we're going to talk about scope. Often in my interaction with parents and students alike, I'm asked about the scope in a particular career. In fact, scope is one of the key factors that parents and students take into account while making career decisions. No wonder so many people nowadays want to either get into data science or artificial intelligence. Why? क्योंकि उसमें scope बहुत है. Now, what exactly does scope mean? It simply means the potential to grow and earn a lot of money in a career, right? But let's think about it. What if there's a career which has a lot of scope but is not a good fit for you? Will you still be able to have a lot of scope in it? Let's take law as an example. Now, lawyers have a lot of scope, they earn a lot of money. But law as a career requires certain traits. For example, in order to be a successful lawyer, one needs to have good reasoning skills. One needs to have good writing skills. Additionally, you need to have a mentally strong and calm personality. You need to have also very good interest in research and analysis. Now, let's say somebody who doesn't have all these traits gets into law. What are the chances that the person will be able to exploit the scope that the career has? The chances are very low. Another thing that we also need to remember is that scope is a very fluid concept and it changes over a period of time. Today we have careers that didn't even exist 10 years before. We talk about careers like influencers or YouTubers or professional bloggers or fashion stylists. Where were these careers 10 years back? So my advice to you is do not run after scope, but look at a career which is an amalgamation of your interests, your talents, and is in sync with your personality, and you shall be able to create a scope for it in your career. Thank you.